Welcome, welcome. This is Injury Attorney Ryan Pauley. I get a lot of great questions in my injury law practice. One of those is this. If I've been in a car wreck, my own insurance company pays out benefits on my behalf. How does my insurance company recover that money? This is a great question. And the simple answer is this. Your own insurance company will ultimately be reimbursed by the at-fault party's insurance company through a process called subrogation. Now, the subrogation process can look a little different depending on what type of benefit is being recovered. The most common benefits that somebody receives from their own insurance company after they've been in a wreck are medical benefits that have been paid by their own automobile insurance company or medical benefits paid by their health insurance company. So, the recovery process for those benefits can be different, and I'll walk through each of them to give you a better understanding of that recovery. Now, when your own automobile insurance company has paid out medical benefits on your behalf, what they do is they contact your attorney and they say the following. Look, we've paid out X in medical benefits. We will hire you, Mr. or Mrs. Attorney, to pursue the recovery of those benefits from the at-fault party. And if you recover those benefits, then we will pay you an attorney fee equal to Y. And this is great for the client because that attorney fee that is paid by your automobile insurance company for the recovery of benefits is credited to your net settlement. So it causes your net settlement to go up. So that's one of the benefits of having personal injury protection benefits or MedPay. You get that benefit of the attorney's fees that are ultimately credited to your recovery. Now, the reason why automobile insurance companies do this is because our state law requires them to do that. And we're in the state of Washington, and our legislature has said if an attorney recovers benefits on behalf of an automobile insurance company, then that automobile insurance company has to pay the attorney a fee for the services that they perform. Now, so that's medical benefits paid by your own automobile insurance company. The second most common benefit paid are medical benefits, but paid by a health insurance policy. And this is different because under health insurance policies, they do not have an obligation to pay the attorney for the benefits that it recovers on behalf of the policy. When I tell people this, they say, okay, well, they could just hire their own lawyer and go out and recover the benefits. The problem, though, is this. Most health insurance policies have a clause, which I refer to as the Me First clause. And the Me First clause says this. It says that if there's been a payment of benefits and a third party is ultimately responsible for those medical bills, then when a recovery happens, the health insurance company will be paid first before any other party. That means the health insurance company is reimbursed before the injured party is compensated for those injuries. So you can see the problem this can create. If the at-fault party only has insurance benefits of $50,000 and your own health insurance company has paid out $50,000 in benefits, then that's not going to leave any money for the injured party to be compensated for their injuries. And the reason why this is because health insurance policies are generally controlled by federal law, and that federal law is called ERISA. And ERISA is a very complicated subject, but the one thing you need to know from that is if it's a health insurance policy controlled by ERISA, then your health insurance policy will not pay your attorney if it recovers benefits on behalf of the health insurance policy that paid out benefits for your care. So that's how the subrogation process works for those two different types of benefits. The most important thing and the takeaway here is that if you have benefits that are being recovered under your car insurance policy, then your automobile insurance has an obligation to pay the attorney a fee for recovering those benefits, which is ultimately credited to you. But your health insurance company generally does not have that obligation. Instead, they have no obligation to pay the fees and they have the Me First clause. So I hope that answers some of your questions about the subrogation process. I know it's very complicated and I will have future posts on this, But if you have any questions about this topic, please feel free to reach out to me. And if you've made it this far in the post, I encourage you to please follow me on YouTube and stay tuned for more entertaining posts about injury law. And most importantly, remember, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.